everybody, this is Nora, and today I have for you a tutorial for these glittery, what I am calling yet red, white, and blue stars, and you'll see why here in a minute. But I also have a giveaway. This is going to be a giveaway, and it is going to be for US and international, and this is going to be a SheModern giveaway sponsored by SheModern. So I'd like to thank SheModern for sponsoring this giveaway. So guys, stay tuned because I will be doing a voiceover on what the rules are and what you have to do and what it is that the giveaway is going to be. But yeah, it's going to be one of the stencils from SheModern. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for the tutorial, enjoy, and please listen for the giveaway rules.
Okay guys, so as I was saying, this giveaway is open to both US and international. There will be 5 winners for US and international. And this time around, the prize is going to be one of the Creative Stencils. So it will be a Creative Stencil of your choice from the SheModern.com website, just like the ones you're going to see me use here in this tutorial. International entries, please be aware that the shipping will SheModern will not be responsible for the shipping on whether the item is received or not. Please be very conscious of how well and accurate of the accuracy of your address when you send it out to her. And the other condition is that the item will only be shipped once. If it is shipped once and not received, that is a risk that you should be aware of. But this time around, we are including international. So yay for that. And the winners, I will announce the winners randomly. I will announce them on Wednesday, April 11th. And you must be over 18 years of age to participate. And there are 3 things that I'd like you to do for me. So of course, subscribe to my channel in SheModern. So I will have the links down in the description bar so you can check those. And I will verify that. And your subscriptions must be public. So if I'm not able to verify that, you will not get a confirmation from me that you were entered in the giveaway. And one last thing, I'd like you to tell me down in the comments your preferred polish to wear, whether regular gel or if it makes any difference for you. Also, please, please, please don't forget to tell me whether you are from the US or an international entry. You can tell me the country that you are from, and that will be very, very helpful. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Pay close attention to the way I am using these stencils here, because if your preferred method or your preferred polish is regular polish, you will really love this idea that I got from Tina. She was so graciously shared in one of her videos, and I'm really loving this method. It keeps your mani very clean from any glitter, debris, and it makes application super, super easy if you are using regular polish. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up. Good luck in the giveaway. Have fun with it. And I'll be talking to you soon. Enjoy the rest of the video.